Okay, so part 6. In February, we were still running under his authority. And of course, he's now charging me extra for administrative fees on plus of the factoring fees plus the dispatcher fees that he's deducting. The payments are not coming any quicker. Communication is getting worse. So I was like, hey, we need to sit down and have a conversation. Let's sit down and talk or whatever. He was not receptive to that. So in February, me and Sharif was like, we've got to get our own truck. We wanted to expand, and we were going to keep the other truck with him as well, but we wanted to have 2 trucks and expand that way. And so I normally get my bonus from work around March, April, which is what I was going to use to do the down payment. And so in the midst of that, we booking loads, still getting factored late, and he's not communicating well. And to me, he breached the contract. So once he breached the contract, I felt like I didn't need to. There was no communication for us. I stopped sending the spreadsheet. So when we was on the road in February, the truck started making this noise, and Sharif was like, I need to get it back home. So he routed himself home, and we put the truck in the shop. So when we put the truck in the shop, it cost about, I want to say $6,000. The truck cost $6,000. And I had the money to pay for it. So, of course, I tell him how much the truck is. Crickets. He's not giving me money for fuel because, again, we're not making enough money to cover the insurance, cover the fuel, cover anything outside of just booking a load. So I'm using my credit cards to make sure that we're able to stay in business while we're on the road. And so that's when all the problems really started. Outside of the other problems, this is where we really got into a heated argument. Because by this time, he finally started back communicating around March. And so when we finally talked to him in March, I'm telling him, hey, we need to go pick the truck up. He's not offering no money. And so right when we was going to go get the truck, the check engine light came back on again. And so this is after I had dropped down $6,000, and I'm like, hey, I need some help. I sent him the bill. Nothing. He says nothing at this point.